Hello, good evening, my dear students. A very good evening. Hope all are doing well. So, those are already joined the class, please mention your name. Those are joined the class, please mention your name. Very good evening to my dear students. Those are joined in the class, please mention your name. Hope all are doing well. Everything is fine. My audio and video is clear to everyone. My audio and video is okay. Good evening, Shapam. My audio and video is clear to everyone. My audio and video is clear to everyone. My audio and video. Acha, good evening, Ankit. My audio and video is clear to everyone. Good evening, Ankit. Good evening, Tapam. My audio and video is clear to everyone. Those are present in the class, please mention your name. Okay. We are waiting for another 2 or 3 minutes. After that, today class will be start. So before start the class, if you facing any kind of problem regarding the GATE Geomatics engineering, you can tell me. Okay. Okay, thank you for Arvind for your confirmation. Okay, so before start the class, if you facing any kind of problem regarding your GATE Geomatics engineering preparation, so you can tell me. Okay, we are waiting another 1 or 2 minutes. After that, today class will be starting. So those are present in the class, please hit the like button. Okay, that I mention or I can count your attendance after the class. Okay, Sai Tarun, very good evening. Shall I start the today class? Shall I start the today class? Sapam, Ankit, Arvind, Saitarun, those are sitting in the class. Shall I start today class? Everything is fine? Please comment on the chat box, yes or no. Okay. Please mention yes or no on the chat box. Okay. So thank you for your confirmation. Okay, Arvind. So let's start the today class. Audio and video is clear to everyone. Please hit the like button, everyone. So now we have started the today class. So this is the first question of the today class. If a pixel of a image is having 30-meter resolution, how much ground area it should be represent? Okay, Sapam is given answer D, Ankit D, Sai Tarun, Arvind. Okay, so if a pixel of a image is having 30 meter resolution, how much ground area should be represent? The option is 900 square meter. Okay, yes, Sai Tarun, Ankit and Sapam. The option is 900 square meter. Okay, because you know that a pixel a pixel 30 meter means one pixel represent a area 30 meter into 30 meter, that means 900 meter square. Okay, good evening Pratibha, how are you? So this is the first question Pratibha. If a pixel of a image having 30 meter resolution, how much ground area it should be present? It is very easy question. Now one a pixel is cover one side how much? 30 meter. The area is 30 meter into 30 meter equal to 900 meter square or square meter. Okay, then go to the next question. In a leveling equipment, horizontal plane may be described as a hypothetical surface parallel to the mean sea level, C defined by spirit level, none of the above. In a leveling equipment, horizontal plane defined by which of this option? Option A is a hypothetical surface, option B parallel to the mean sea level, option C defined by spirit level, option D none of the above. Okay, Ankit, please try to answer everyone. Okay, Sai Tarun. Okay, okay, Shravani. Sapam, are you there? The answer is C, defined by a spirit level. In a leveling equipment, horizontal plane defined by a spirit level. Okay, it is parallel to the mean sea level. How it is parallel to the mean sea level? Or those are option B. How it is parallel to the mean sea level? So now what is the meaning of spirit level? If you see a figure, okay, this is a figure. Whenever you have going to leveling in different kind of instrument, okay, like a theodolite, total station, you may see in a plane. Okay, this is the bubble and this is a liquid format. Okay, so what happened? The image result for a defined by a spirit level. A spirit level or simply level is an instrument designed to indicate where a surface is horizontal level or vertical plumb. Okay, so suppose if you have a tripod, okay, instrument, or you need to set up a they are mounted like this type of badge. Okay, so what happened here? You can see in the modern instrument there is a circle. After circle you need to fit the bubble, because you need to at first set the horizontal plane. Okay, if bubble is the middle, then you have surfaces horizontally level. It is clear to everyone? Those are sitting in the class, it is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone? Okay, so then go to the next question. Radar is acronym for radio detection and ranging, radio detection and ranging, radio detection and ranging, none of them. Radar is acronym for anyone. Okay, thank you, Rumpa. Radar is acronym for option A, B, C, D. Please answer, everyone. Okay, Saitarun, Arvind, Rumpa. Yes, option C. Okay, yes. Hamsi Krishna, I think you are the newcomer. Okay, so welcome to remote sensing GI show. Yes, so here you have go to the radar is acronym for radio detection and ranging. If you see here, there is everything is fine, but the spelling is RANGING. Remember everyone, okay? Not ranging or not direction. Okay, now go to the next question. In a trigonometric leveling, vernier theodolite use height of object is found out. Use vertical angle to compute the height of object. Only horizontal distance is computed. In a trigonometric leveling, yes, option C is yes. In a trigonometric leveling, which option is available? Vernier theodolite use vertical angle. Use vertical angle to compute the height of object. Okay, and only horizontal distance is computed height of the found. Please try to answer, everyone. Shakti, Shravani. Please try to answer, everyone. Okay, Rumpa, Arvind, Hamsi. Yes, yes. So everyone is right. Yes, Ankit. Now in a trigonometric leveling, use vertical angle to compute the height of object. Okay, vernier theodolite is used. No, height of the object is not found. Only horizontal distance is computed, not horizontal and vertical distance. So let's discuss something about this. Now this is a indirect method of leveling. In this method, the difference elevation of a point determined some observation vertical angle measured by distance. So go to the now figure. Okay. So please remember this figure and be concentrated about this. So what happened? Here is a instrument and here is a object. Okay. So this is the ground surface level and the D is the distance between the instrument to the object. Okay. So if you go here, now B is the instrument station. Suppose this is the B is the instrument station. A point to be observed. This is the A point to be observed. See the center of the instrument. That means you have tripod, a trigonometry. This is the center of the instrument. A vertical object. A vertical object means this into this. Okay, this is the vertical object. This is called the capital H. D equal to na CE. Okay, CE means the center of the horizontal distance between the object and instrument. H1 is the height of the instrument at V. H1 means from the ground level to the instrument height, that is called the H1. And S reading of the leveling stuff is vertical benchmark. Okay, this is the vertical. Suppose you have need to the height of the instrument. What happened? Now you have put a staff reading. Have you seen the staff like a some primary division and secondary division and theta angle of elevation of the top of the object? Okay, so this is the basically of the concept of the how to measure the any object height. Suppose there is the distance between the object and the instrument is like a adjacent, okay, like a 10 meter. Okay, and opposite side is how much? Opposite side is like a 30 meter. So maybe ask what is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse equal to root over what? This 10 meter square plus 30 meter square. Okay. So you can find this distance. Okay. Suppose somewhere mention the hypotenuse is 50 meter and the adjacent is 10 meter. Find out the object height. So how to find? Now you will know a square equal to base square plus b square plus l square. B have the base, that means the distance between instrument to height. Okay, and l square equal to the object length. So suppose we know h equal to how much? Now b square plus l square. Okay, so we can see now this is the length, l square equal to 50 meter square minus base square. Okay, b square. So we can found the this also. It is the trigonometric. Those are the Bengali. You know, অতিভুজ square সমান লম্ব square plus ভূমি square. Okay, and a hypotenuse square equal to base square plus the opposite square. Okay, or base l square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. It is clear to everyone. Now go to the next question. Okay, if three 8-bit bands are used to create an FCC false color composite, then what would be the color depth, the pixel? If three 8 bands are used to create a FCC, then what would be pixel color depth? Please try to answer, everyone. Okay, thank you, Pativa. Try to answer, everyone. The answer is here. See, 24 bits. Okay, why? Ankit and Shravani, you have got the answer after the timer is gone. Okay, that is 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, we cannot get the answer. Yes, it is the 24 depth, because we have using the false color composite. Suppose there is the 3 band, one is red. Okay, then green. Okay, and another is suppose blue. So every band have 8-bit depth. They are asking not radiometric resolution. If there are 8-bit bands used to create FCC, then what would be pixel color depth? Okay, so that means you need to, whenever band stack is using, okay, you need to tell about the 3 band of their depth. Okay, yes, red, blue and green. So 8 into 3, that means the pixel color depth is 24 bit. Okay, 24 bit. Okay, then go to the next question. Suppose you have a digital image which has a radiometric resolution of 6 bit. What is the maximum value of the digital number which could be represented in that image? This is the NAT, numeric assessment test question. Please tell me, everyone. You have a digital image which has a radiometric resolution of 6 bit, what is the maximum? There is no option. Please tell me, put the number. Okay. Okay. Any answer from your side? No, everyone is wrong. Suppose you have a digital image which is radiometric. What is the maximum value of the digital image? Maximum value which would be present in the image. The maximum value is 63. Why? Now 0 is count in the binary calculation. Okay. So 2 to the power 6 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 2. Okay. So that means 64, but in binary we have count from 0 to 64, that means 63. The value is 63. It is clear to everyone? Yes, Shakti. Yes, it is 63. Please read the question, be carefully. Suppose you have a digital image which has a radiometric resolution of 6 bit. What is the maximum value of the digital number which could be represented in that image? It is clear why 63? So whenever we go to the 2 to the power 8, okay, so total value is 256, but we have count 0 to 255 and 2 to the power 16, 60 bit equal to 0 to 65,563, not 4. Okay, yes. Then go to the next question. The phase difference of the wave A and 1 and 2 at A in given figure is, the phase difference of the waves 1 and 2 at the A in the given figure is pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Please try to give the answer anyway. Those are sitting in the class, and please hit the like button. Bhamsi, Krishna, Shravani. Please explain why the answer is B, Shravani, and Bhamsi. Why? Pratibha. Okay. Shakti, option B. Sapam, are you there? Okay, Pratibha, option D. So option B is right, pi by 2. Okay, option B is right, that is pi by 2. Why? Let's discuss. Okay, now what happened? One complete cycle of the has a phase difference of 2 pi. Therefore, half of the cycle have a pi phase difference. Point A is one wave, one of fourth of the, therefore the has difference is pi by 2. So suppose what happened? This is a wavelength. Okay, this is a wave. So how to we have calculate the wavelength. Now the distance between two successive crests, this is the wavelength. Okay, or wavelength present in lambda. Okay, but in phase, that phase means there is a phase and there is a phase. Okay, so one phase equal to pi. Okay, two phase equal to 2 pi. Okay, if here is a 3 phase, that means 3 pi. Okay, so what happened here, you can see A and B. Okay, if this is the pi and this is the 2 pi for a single phase. Okay, like a A. If I am counting the phase difference between A and B, pi and 2 pi, because it is a half cycle, then here is the full cycle. Okay, if I discussing the wavelength between the two waves, then this point, okay, do successive bits that cut the present in lambda. So here the phase difference between waves 1 and 2 at A is given figure is, so this is the one is pi. Okay, another is half pi, that equal to pi by 2. Okay, there is phase difference. Okay, because there is the half cycle, you can see at the figure A. Okay, figure A. So there is a half A and there is a half. We know one successive equal to pi. Oh, okay. So phase difference between two waves समान pi by 2. Here is the two waves and half by half. It is clear to everyone. Those are sitting in the class. It is clear to everyone. Those are given answer B. It is right. Pratibha, it is clear. Those are given the wrong answer. Now clear. Shall I go for next question? Okay. Shall I go for next question? For a camera with a 230 meter square format. Okay, camera with 230 meter square format, focal length of 15.2 centimeter. Angular field of the view may be for a camera with 230 millimeter square format and focal length is 15.2 centimeter. Okay, angular field of view may be or IFOV. Okay, continuous field of view. Which angle? Option A 94 degree, option B 74. Please try to answer everyone. Option A is 94 degree. Okay, so let's see. Option A 94 degree. Okay, let's see how to calculate. So angular field of is given. The please remember this equation. Okay, so here angular field of view equal to 210 minus 1 d by 2f. Okay, so what is the d here? D here is the sides of the square. Okay, so where sides of the square is 230 millimeter. 230 millimeter. Okay, 230 millimeter square format, and diagonal d equal to how much? Now root over 230 square plus 230 square. Okay, focal length equal to 15.2 centimeter. That means now 15.2 into 10. Okay, 152 millimeter. Why? Now 10 millimeter equal to how much? 1 centimeter. Okay, so putting this value in the equation, we get 210 minus root over 230 plus 230 divided by 2f into 2 into 1 52. That's theta equal to 94 degree. Okay. Any confusion? Any confusion in this equation? Any confusion in this equation? Bhamsi Krishna, why did he? D 78 degree. Why did he? Can you tell me? The answer is 94 degree. Okay, 94 degree. It is clear to everyone. Shall I go for next question? Please type yes or no. Shall I go for next question? Please type yes or no. Dear students, it is clear to everyone. Okay, the next question is, a photograph is taken from an aircraft flying at a height of 3000 meter above datum and focal length of the camera is 20 centimeter. Determine scale of the photograph if the area has a elevation of 1500 meter from datum. A photograph is taken from an aircraft flying height of 3000 meter above datum and focal length of the camera is 20 centimeter. Determine the scale of the photograph if the area has an elevation of 1500 meter from datum. Please identify the scale. Okay. Okay, Sai Tarun, can you describe? Shravani, can you describe why option D? Ankit, why option D? Please explain it, everyone. So option D is the right. Okay, now go to description. Why? So whenever what happened? Now a photograph is taken from a aircraft flying height above 300 meter above the datum and focal length of the camera is 2 centimeter. Determine the scale of the photograph if area has a elevation 50 meter from datum. Okay, so as first we draw the figure. Okay, suppose this is a surface line. Okay, this is a aircraft. Okay, and the distance between from a aircraft flying height is meter. Okay, and focal length of the camera is how much? Here focal length of the camera is 20 centimeter. Okay, so this distance is the now focal plane and lens. The distance between the focal plane and lens, that called the focal length, is 20 centimeter. Okay, so here one have taken from the photograph from aircraft height 3000 meter above datum. Okay, above datum means, so from this to this is 3000 meter. Okay, and suppose ground sea level from the datum is 1500. This distance is 1500. So what is the distance between these from the above mean sea level to altitude of the ground level? If the distance from the mean sea level to the ground is 1500, and what is the distance altitude above the ground level? Total distance is 3000 meter. Okay, from the mean sea level. So what is the distance between lands and ground level? That means now 3000 minus 1500 equal to 1500. Why? Now here is determine the scale of photograph in the area in the elevation of 1500 from the datum. Okay, datum means from the mean sea level, from the mean sea level. Okay, so basically what you want to say, we know scale equal to what? Now we know scale equal to focal length by height. Okay, here capital H means the total distance including mean sea level 1500 plus 1500. Okay, saman 3000 meter, but ground above the mean sea level is only 1500 because 3000 if total is. So if you calculate the equation S equal to focal length by capital H minus small h, so why we need to divide in 100? Because here 20 centimeter we need to convert in meter. Okay, that's why 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That's why you have 20 divided by 100 into 3000 minus 1500. That S equal to 1 by 7500. It is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone? Okay, thank you. Shall I go for next question? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Then go for the next question. A line measure 100 meter on the ground appears as a 1 centimeter on a vertical aerial photograph taken with a camera of focal length 200 millimeter. What is the average altitude of the train in meters if the photograph is taken from a height of 2.5 kilometer? Okay, so suppose it is a vertical aerial photograph. Okay, a line measure 100 meter on the ground appears 1 centimeter in the map A and B. Suppose the lines is 1 centimeter and ground is what much? 100 meter. Okay, so that means the scale is what? Here is the smallest in centimeter, here is the meter. Okay, so you can convert the scale is 1 is to 1000. Okay, because in the ground, one in the map 1 centimeter represent on the ground is 100 meter. So you need to convert. So what is the scale? 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. So we can say 1 centimeter equal to this centimeter, 10,000 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes or no? We can say 1 centimeter equal to now 10,000 centimeter. So now with a camera of the focal length is 200 millimeter. Focal length means the distance between lens and focal plane. Okay, 200 millimeter. What is the focal length? Already we have discussed in this. This is distance is 200 millimeter. Okay. Now go to what? Now, what is the average altitude of the train in meters if the photograph is taken from height is 2.5 kilometer? So we know the scale, we know the focal length, so we can easily identify the scale. Or how to? Now scale equal to focal length by capital H minus H. Okay, so where you need to identify the small h. Small h means what is the average altitude of the train? Average altitude means the height between mean sea level to ground. Okay, this is the altitude, average altitude. Here asking about now what is the average altitude of the train, not asking the, already here mentioned the photograph is taken from height from 2.5. 2.5 means here total distance this to this is 2.5. Okay, if you know the total distance 2.5, then you can know, we know h minus h. Suppose you know h का value कितना है 2.5 kilometer. Okay, minus h, then we can find the h ka value, small h. So if you now go to the scale, what is the scale? As scale is 1 divided by 10,000. Okay, saman focal length here is how much? 200 millimeter divided by this. Okay, then what is the age? Age here is the 2500. Why 2500? Because 2.5 equal to this meter. So after that calculation, if you find 2500 minus age equal to how much? So calculate it. The answer is 500 meter. Okay, if you calculate it, this is the equation. It is clear to everyone or need to step by step? So here 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. That means 1 centimeter equal to 100 into 100 saman 1 is to 10,000. This is the scale. Yes, and 1 by 10,000 equal to 200 divided by 1000, because we need to convert, okay, in centimeter. So now this is the h equal to 500 meter. It is clear to everyone? Okay, step by step. Sai Tarun, please write around on the chat box the step. So please go to your calculator, open your calculator in the mobile phone. Okay, please open your calculator on the mobile phone or anything. Shakti, you know the formula S equal to focal length by h minus h. H is the flying height or small h is the height of the object train above datum. Okay, so here scale is 1 by 10,000. Okay, and focal length is millimeter 200. So 200 divided by how much? 1000 divided by what is the h? Small capital H 2500 minus h. Okay, so 1 by 10,000 equal to how much? So 2 divided by 10 0.2 divided by h. ओके, तो क्या होगा, इसका साथ इसका मल्टीपल हो जाएगा, इसका साथ इसका, तो 2500 माइनस h इक्वल टू 0.2 इंटू 10,000 समान 200. ओके, so h equal to so you can say also h equal to 2500 minus 2000 समान 500. It is clear? Yes. Now clear? Now clear? This multiple 1 into multiple h and this, so you can multiple by got 2000. Okay. Then go to the next question. The principle by which GPS work is called as triangulation, triliteration, relativity, none of the above. Okay, thank you. The principle by which GPS work is called as okay, Barmi, okay, Saitarun. So those are the sitting in the class. Please hit the like button. Okay, Shravani. Okay, Sakti. Okay, Ankit. Okay, Sovik. So option B is right, triliteration, not triangulation. This is the right. Okay, this is the wrong. Those have answer A is wrong. Option B is right. Why? Let's discuss. Triliteration or triangulation what? Now, knowing the distance from three satellites, the receiver can determine its location because there are only two possible communication. Okay, so suppose if you go here, what is the triangulation? Suppose I have joined the line from C to A satellite, A to B satellite and C to B satellite. Okay, this is called the triangulation, or triliteration means the common point of the three satellites. Suppose this is the satellite 1, this is the satellite 2 and this is the satellite 3. Okay, so where is the common point? This point called as a trilateration, not triangulation. Triangulation means the triangle between the distance between three satellites. Okay, if I connect the satellite A to C, C to B and A to B, this is called the triangulation. But trilateration means the common point of the three satellite. Okay, suppose you have draw a three circle on a paper. Okay, three circle on a paper. So two satellites, their common point is here and here, but whenever go to an three angle, so what happened? Now here, here, here. So this is the location of a object. Okay, so if you have 3 meter accuracy, that means any point the radius between 3 meter is anywhere. Okay, that means if can to 5 meter, that means if a point the circle of 5 meter any of the point. It is clear why the triangulation and trilateration. What is the difference between trilateration and triangulation? It is clear, everyone? Ankit, clear what is the trilateration and triangulation? Okay, so in 1:10,000 scale with a plotting dimension 0.2 millimeters, the least dimension of the object is how many meters? Please calculate the value. Okay, Siraj, RCG Nayan, thank you. I think you the new. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you. Okay, so big thank you. So if a 1:10,000 scale with plotting dimension is 0.2 millimeters, the least dimension of the object is how much meter? Their option asking about the meter option. Okay, please try to answer, everyone. Okay, Sai Tarun. Okay, the option is 2 meter. Why? Now least distance dimension. Okay, here scale what is? Scale is 1. So what is the scale? Scale is to 1:10,000. Okay, so that means 1 millimeter on the ground, 10,000 millimeter on the map. Okay, so plotting dimension is 0.2 millimeter. So what happened if 1 millimeter, so 0.2 into 10,000 millimeter. Okay, so equal to what? 0.2 into 10,000 equal to what? Equal to 2000 millimeter. So 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, so answer is 2 millimeter. It is clear to everyone? Those are sitting in the class, why it is the 2? It is clear to everyone? Clear? It is clear to everyone. Those are sitting. Yes, Bamsi. Yes, yes. 2 into 2 0.8. Yes. Clear, clear. Okay, Usma. So those are the new in the class. Please hit the like button and please share the video among your friends, students, junior, those are want to appear on the GATE exam. Okay. So error causes in the GPS signal due to adjacent buildings are termed as multipath, both, ephemeris, none of these. Error caused in the GPS signal due to adjacent buildings are termed as okay, Arvind, okay, Sai Tarun, okay, Vamsi V, okay, Sobik. So option A is right. Okay. Why? For a causes a GPS signal due to adjacent buildings are termed as the multipath error. Why multipath error? So suppose you standing here. Okay, you standing here through handling a mobile phone. Surrounding have a tall building. Okay, tall building. So what happened when the GPS signal is coming at first hit there, then hit your receiver. Okay, so this is called the multipath error. Suppose whenever you have under the room, that times what happened, you seen the GPS signal somewhere seen here in your mobile phone. Okay, so due to the multipath error. Okay, and how to we have removing this error now by using the DGPS, differential global positioning system. Okay, so this is the total question about the session. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this session, you may ask now. This is the total question of the today's session. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this session, you may ask now. Yes, yes, yes. Ephemeris refers to the information about the location of the satellite in the orbit. Yes, yes. I cannot give the PDF, but you have got the answer through the video. Okay. Why you need to the PDF? Okay, no problem. Please join our Telegram group. I will provide the PDF in this Telegram group. Okay. So any question, any doubt regarding today's sessions? Any doubt, any query regarding today's sessions? Okay, thank you everyone. So I think you have no doubt, no query. You understand everything. So thank you everyone. Okay, thank you everyone. So today we will meet at. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, Ankit. Okay, thank you. I have remembered this.